Hello, today we are going to do column division. So our math problem today is we need to find the answer, the quotient of 816 divided by 8. We're going to think of it as that we have $816 and we're going to be very nice and divide it by 8, which is like sharing this with our 8 friends. So we're going to rewrite this in a different format. I'm going to make it big so we can really see it. So we got our 816. You're going to put in here. 816. And you put the 8 outside here. Now what we're going to do, see, this is column division. We got to make columns for the place values. I'm going to make them long so we could really see them. And we're going to then go into these. And we're going to go column by column. So we have to do how many times 8 goes into 8. That's only once. So that would be 8 times 1, which is 8. You minus that. You get 0. That's good. We don't have to bring anything over or we group anything. We then have how many times does 8 go into 1? It can't go into 1 at all. So we have to put a 0. And 8 times 0 equals 0. Anything times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is still 1. Now we still have that 1. We need it to be 0. We can't do this. So we need to cash that in. These are 10. So see, this is actually $10 right here. We need to cash that in for some ones. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 10 ones, which makes this, then we have our 10 ones. So that would be 10 plus 6 ones, which would then be 16. How many times does 8 go into 16? 2. So 8 times 2 is 16 minus that, and you get 0. So then, now that we're all done with this part, we have this right up here. That is our quotient. We're going to write it without the columns. I'm going to put it right here just so we can really see the answer. 802. So 816 divided by 8 is 102. What I really like about this method is, again, visually, it's a lot better. You get to see the place values, and I also like how thinking of it as money. I mean, everybody likes money. So you're sharing it, and it's how many times it goes into each other. And I like how it also is, since we're dealing with money, it's cashing it in. So if this had been like a number, we would have cashed the hundreds into tens. And then here we did cashing the tens into ones. I think that in itself is very easy to understand. Kids are already learning how to add up money and take away money because it's a common life skill. When you make division or really any math problem into something that is a life skill and something they have to learn in this world, it makes it a lot easier to grasp. So really, this is amazing. I love it.